my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, abundant parents. How can I thank you enough? Next month, I celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the Abundant Parent. 1 year ago, I made a choice. I could listen to the people that said I was too unskilled. I could listen to the people that said that what I had to say wasn't important. I could listen to all the people that said that owning my business was too hard and that I would fail. And I could listen to all the people that said making the choice to start my own business made me a bad mom, even if that meant that working an 8-to-5 job and putting my kids in daycare before and after their school days, and working that same 8-to-5 job and not even making enough money to cover my bills, that even if it meant that I was a bad mom by making a choice to start my own business. If I listened to all of those calls, all of those texts, all of those emails, I wouldn't be here right now thanking you all. Thanking all of you who showed up for me. To all of you who cheered me on, who gave me your constructive input, who listened to my ideas. To all of my friends who paid for my workshops to show support. Oh my gosh, and the strangers. The absolute perfect strangers who showed up and validated the work that I believe so strongly in. The strangers who were sharing my posts, commenting on my posts, sending me messages, telling me every single day how I was changing their life for the better, how I was changing their relationships with their kids in big and small ways. You all kept me going. In 1 year, I grew from zero followers on social media to a community of almost 7,000 people. 7,000 people! How blessed am I? You are all abundant parents. You are who I built this community for, and I would love to hear your stories. You've had your wins, and you've also had your struggles, and you show up for your families every single day. I want to know you, and I want to thank you. Comment with your stories on my posts. I respond to all of your comments. You all mean so much to me, and it's because I'm not unlike you. We are all teachers and confidants. Sometimes to our children, sometimes to our peers. And like you, like all of us, I had those days that I felt defeated, those days that I felt hopeless. But it was the stories of other people sharing their struggles, sharing their wins. It was all of those stories, those people brave enough, courageous enough to share, that got me through. And that's why I do what I do. I really want to return the favor. I want to pay it forward. I love you all. You are amazing. You're so worthy. And my life is so rich and so much better for having you all in it. I'm wishing you all a day, heck, a life filled with light, love, and abundance.